everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I sadly have a finale for you. I say sadly because I really enjoyed this project a whole lot. I can't wait to do it again next year, and I just like this one. I really do, and I'm sad to see it go, but I'm filming this the night before Halloween. It ends on Halloween, so gotta give up the ghost, so to speak. This is the Graveyard Project pan. It was created by Emily, known as Emily and Max, and she's amazing. She's an awesome person. She's an awesome panner, and I'm gonna have her link down below. There's like 1,000,001 people that have done this project. I cannot remember if there's a playlist or not. I know some of the projects I am doing have them and some don't. If there is one, it's going to be down below, and yeah, let's get into this. I had 5 products in. Some of them were dust collectors, some were resurrections, meaning they were from other painting projects that I just didn't finish or hit my goal on. If they're dust collectors, they've been in your collection for a very long time, just collecting dust. Some of mine are both, but yeah. I have an old collection. It's what happens when you go for over 3 years without buying a single thing. That means everything in your collection is a minimum of 3 years old. So pretty much my entire collection is dust collectors unless I received it as a gift, you know, within that 3-year time frame. All right, I do actually have 2 empties. Both of them were resurrections, and they are both dust collectors, or they were both dust collectors. The first one I rolled in last time. This is the Bath & Body Works Cotton Blossom, which they don't even make anymore, Cotton Blossom. I think they have Sea Island cotton now, which smells almost identical. I love the smell of it. Yeah, I was at this pink line, and it is done. I'm kind of sad to see it go, but I think I still have some more in my collection, which is sad. I have some as Cotton Blossom and some as Sea Island cotton. I have a lot of stuff. And yay! I finished the brown gel eyeliner from the Sephora Colorista palette. It is done. That was such a dust collector, and I believe, yeah, this was in pan and everything. So I have 2 empties for an official total in this project of 5 empties, which isn't bad for a 3-month hiatus right in the middle of it. I will take it. 5 things out of my collection. I'm happy with that. And then I still have 3 in this project that didn't get done. I'm going to start with one that is the most dismal. This is a dust collector. This is the Avon Pore Reducer Mask. I do really enjoy these masks. I haven't touched it since I brought it in. I want to say like 2 updates ago. I kind of put it in and then set it off to the side, and I completely forgot about it. It wasn't that I didn't want to use it. I just wasn't even thinking about it. Life is hectic. You know how that goes. And if it's not in my face, I just forget about things. So, yeah, that was a fail on my part. The other 2 are not done, but I do not consider them fails because they both needed to be repressed. They were both resurrections. They were in other projects. Pardon me. I think they were both in pie at some point, or pan and everything. This one was not a dust collector. This was sent as PR. This is the Color Max Photochromatic Press Powder in beige, and it had quite a bit in it when I brought it in. I actually have repressed it, and I have since hit pan again, and you can probably see that the rings are starting to show themselves. So I pretty much think that even though this project is over, I'm probably still going to continue to work on this because, one, I don't have any powders that are in projects right now. At least not that I can think of. Well, I have 1, but none that are pressed. So I'll probably keep this in and then try to finish it up this year. So it got a lot of progress on it in this project. I'm happy with that. And the other one is the Coastal Scents Hot Pot in Chamois or Chamois Nude. This one was a repress also. I have not hit pan on it, but can you see how thin that is? It is so incredibly thin. I feel like probably in the next few days I am going to hit pan on this, and much like the powder, I'm just going to keep going with it. I like it to set my primer, my eye primer. It works great for that, and I do think this is one that I can have done by the end of the year with no problems. So I'm just gonna, put this Avon mask back in my collection. It will end up in a project because it is a non-cruelty free item. It's gonna get in a project and get used up hopefully within the next year. And these, even though I believe they're both cruelty free, I'm just gonna keep using them just because I kind of want to. I mean, is there any other reason except that I kind of want to use them? I don't know. So I am happy with my results. 5 down, 3 that didn't quite make it. I'm okay with that because other than the powder was one of my original, and I brought 2 powders in my intro. I finished all but the one from my original intro, so I feel good about this. Really hope this is coming back again next year, Emily. Crossing my fingers. I'm sure it is because it is a very well received project, and lots of people do it every year, so I'm pretty sure she'll probably bring it back next year, but she'll let us know. I'm sure she'll let us know in her finale if it's going to be coming back. So if you haven't already watched hers, again, I'm linking her channel down below, so go check her out. She will probably let us know. All right, I am going to wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, happy Halloween and have a beautiful day.